Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're out tonight chasing rabbits with the air rifle again. I've got the Infraray RH50 sitting on top, ready for action. Depending on how the night plays out, we might even bust out the Hyundai Excel, stick the thermal on top of that on the Spiderbot system and go for a bit of a dack around the back of the property. Won't be going too far because it's not my vehicle. I'm not sure Crazy Cat would be too happy taking it too far off the beaten path, but he's loaned it to me. I'm in between vehicles waiting for a shark to arrive in Perth. Amarok has gone, so thanks to Crazy Cat, let me dack the Hyundai Excel. It's been a blast. So yeah, there's not much around at the moment. Property owner did say that they were a bit thin on the ground, so I've seen a couple. Unfortunately, they've been over near where the dogs are, so a little bit off limits. So I'm going to keep poking around for a bit and see how it plays out. And a little bit later on, we'll bust out the XL and get some spotlight hunting getting on. Anyway, we'll keep poking around and see what happens to stick its head out. There'll be one down. No, he wouldn't have got far. Well, he did. He went down there. One down. It's getting a bit better. Okay. Feeling slightly undergunned here. That, my friends, is a pig. And here I am. I brought a knife to the gunfight. Shit. What do you do? That's a long way for an air rifle. Tell you what, for an animal of its size, they bloody hide well. Buggered if I know where that was hiding. I have literally walked through the gate up to about there, scanning with the monocular everywhere. Could not see him. Figured he'd done a bolt over the back into that section. I've since given up on him. Got back to here, turned around, seen a fox down in here. Could not for the life of me get the air rifle mounted into the tripod. So I had to do a bit of a rest on the tripod, which wasn't optimal. And I think I've either given him a haircut or an ear piercing. He was still running, and I've got no idea where he went to. He is down in the grass over there. She's a bit thick, so I don't think we're going to find him. Not certainly unless I walk over him. So, but yeah, that pig there is frustrating. Would I have taken the shot with the air rifle? 25 cal. I have seen dudes do it in the States. Yeah, close enough in the ear hole. It's doable, but not a lot of margin for error. So we will never know whether I would have taken the shot, because I didn't get close enough, and I'm not sure that I really can be asked walking back in there again only to have him disappear on me. I might have to come back with something a little bit more authoritative to deal with that one. Certainly something with a little bit more power than the air rifle. And no, I don't mean a 22. Probably the if I'm being honest, probably bring the 7mm back for that one. It looks like a big unit. 6mm Creedmoor could do the job, but I think 7mm would probably give you a little bit more margin for error, especially on something like that. Anyway, I'm going to head back down to the XL. Apologies for anyone who was looking forward to seeing the XL driving around with the thermal monocular on top, scanning. I got distracted by a fox early on in the piece, and that plan went out the window. I lost that fox, don't know where he went, and then I spotted that pig, and that's where the rest of the evening went. So I'm going to head back to the XL, and maybe we'll see some rabbits or something on the way, and if we do, well, we'll shoot them, you'll see it. If we don't, I will take this moment to wish you all a good evening. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am getting out and actually shooting it, pardon the pun. And with any luck, I'll be back out again soon, and hopefully you'll all tune in to that one, and we might have a better outcome with Mr. Pig on the ground, because that'd be epic. Anyway, that's it. I'm done. I will catch you all on the flip side. Over out.